My laptop is short on the storage and it's very slow. And one of these days, unfortunately, it's gonna explode. But today, we're gonna fix that with this. Yes, a solid state drive can speed up your laptop. Plus, you'll get more storage. What's up? My name is Yunus, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change SSD in your laptop. So first, we're gonna open this laptop, then replace the SSD, and last step will be installing Windows 10 on this laptop. So get yourself a Phillips screwdriver and let's get started. And as you may know, it's time for unscrew. Screw, 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 screw. Now grab a flat screwdriver and let's start opening this up. Gently place it in between your laptop and the back cover. And you want to give it a little wiggle so we can take it out. There you go. Mostly you can find the SSD on the right bottom of your laptop. Exactly right here. Grab your Phillips screwdriver and let's start opening up the shield of the SSD. Simply take it out, and that small square shape is the SSD in your laptop. Well, this is a mini laptop, obviously it should be smaller, but if you're using a bigger laptop, yours might be longer, but don't worry, the process is the same. And now you need to lift it a little bit and take it out, just pull it out. It's so tiny. And now it's time to unbox our new SSD. I'm using a 512GB SSD, FA100 brand. You can find its link down below. As we had a mini SSD and we are upgrading to a longer one, we need to move that stand all the way down to the bottom so we can screw the SSD to that. But if yours was a big one, you don't have to. Just skip this part and continue watching. And now you gotta place it where you can actually screw. So now we are all set to insert our new SSD in this laptop. You need to be really careful here and you gotta do the same exact thing I'm gonna do in this video. So you should not insert it straight. It should be in 45 degrees. Yes, if you go straight, there is a way to break that SSD, so it's not recommended. Now go ahead and insert your SSD in 45-degree angle. And make sure you screw it down so it won't come out. So far you did great and we are almost done. And now it's time to put the shield back. Simply place it and screw it down. And now put on the back cover and start the screwing. And as you may know, it's time for screw, 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 screw. So big congrats, you successfully replaced your SSD in your laptop. And now it's time to install Windows 10 on it. Grab your USB flash drive and insert it in your PC. It needs to be inserted in a PC that is already up and running. Also, you can do this process on a Mac OS. Now open up Google and search for download Windows 10. Now you gotta go to the first link, which is officially Microsoft.com. This is the website, and now simply click on download now. So now go ahead and click on that arrow, then click on open. Now getting a few things ready, and now you gotta click on accept. So we are gonna be installing this on a USB flash drive, so I'm gonna select the second option. And in this part I'm gonna keep the settings as it is, and I'm gonna click on next. And in this part I'm gonna select USB flash drive. Click on next and use the specific flash drive that you just inserted. Simply select it and click on next. And we are installing Windows 10 on the USB flash drive. After the installation that is completed, simply take out the USB flash drive and insert it into your laptop. After that, turn it on and wait until you see this page. So here you gotta select your language and the country you are living in. So basically, I'm not gonna touch anything here. Now click on next and install now. Go ahead and check that box, then click on next. And as we have only one SSD, I'm just gonna skip this part and click on next, so we don't have to do anything. Alright, now we are installing Windows 10 on this laptop. Now you're gonna experience a couple of restarting. After that, you're gonna be facing to this page, which is selecting your region. So US is already selected for me, so I'm gonna click on yes. Then I'm gonna connect the laptop to our Wi-Fi. It is better to connect the laptop to the Wi-Fi now comparing to another time. Once it's connected, click on next, then sign into your Microsoft account. You can also sign up from here, but as I have one, I'm gonna just sign in. Next step will be setting a PIN for your laptop. Usually I keep this password very short because I want to get access to my laptop faster, so I only use 4-digit PIN. Set your PIN and click on OK. In this part, I'm not gonna change anything. Everything is described, so if you want to change or turn off something, go ahead, you can do that, but I'm just gonna click on accept. And in this part, you can select the purpose of using this laptop, so Microsoft can set everything according to your needs for better functionality. So I'm gonna be using this laptop for my school, watching some videos later on, and some coding. So I'm gonna select entertainment, school, and creativity, then accept it. Here, click on next. decline for now, and no Cortana, so not now. That's pretty much it. Everything installed successfully. This might take several minutes, so do not turn off your PC. Well, that's it. Everything up and running and you're good to go. I'm also very glad that everything is working and the SSD is functioning very well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I dare you, after you change your SSD with that laptop, come to this video, comment down below that the mission was successful. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask them in the comments down below. I'll answer them all. And by liking this video, you're gonna break the algorithm of YouTube, so why not? And now it's time to speed up the software of your laptop. You can watch the video here, 6 tips that how you can improve your Windows 10. See you in the next video. Peace.